Hello, my name is Abdul Momin and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a public health professional. So, as I promised in my earlier video, which was about coronavirus and psychological problems, in this particular video, I'm going to tell you 12 such activities which can relieve your stress during self quarantine. If you have not watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch that video first and then come back to this particular video so that you can understand the content well. So here is my list which I have compiled on my own. Number one, if you are in self quarantine, which you should be definitely wherever you are across the globe, you should pray, and this is a very effective strategy. It would definitely give you a sense of satisfaction, and being in touch with the divine power definitely helps you relieve that particular stress. Number two, please enjoy some quality time with your family, with your children, with your kids. So the life has become so fast paced that sometimes it is very difficult for us to spend some good time with our family. So since we all of us are in self quarantine, it is very it is a good opportunity for all of us to spend some good time with our family members as well. Number three, you can enjoy some indoor games as well. So for example, in your childhood, you used to play maybe carom board or snakes and ladders, or maybe chess. So you can actually play those indoor games as well. Number four, it's a very good idea to spend time with yourself as well. So you can go to a room, sit alone, sit in dark, leave your mobile in another room, and take deep breaths. So you should be spending time with yourself as well. It is also important. Number five, if you know yoga, well and good. There are quite a few research papers published in journals which have shown that yoga is very good when it comes to relieving acute stress. If you don't know yoga, it's fine. You can find some other way of meditation and relieve your stress as well. Number six, walk is extremely important. So again, scientifically it has been proven that your walk reduces your stress levels, because whenever you do your exercise in the form of a walk, it stimulates the release of your happy hormones, primarily serotonin and dopamine. So for walk, you really don't need to go out of your homes, because all of us are in self quarantine. So you can walk in your lawn, in your terrace, in your backyard maybe. If you are living in an apartment and you don't have any terrace or lawn, so you can even walk in your room, but make sure that you don't have your mobile when you are doing that. Number seven, quite a few people have kitchen gardens. So again, if you don't have a big lawn, you can spend some time gardening. You can trim your plants. You can trim your plants in the kitchen garden. So that is an enjoyable activity as well. Number eight, book reading used to be such a good habit, but because of the fast-paced life, we have unfortunately stopped reading books. So it's a very good time to read a good book, whether it is related to science or fiction or whatever topic you like. You can also involve your children in this as well. Number nine, it's a very good time to get a good quality sleep. And when I say good quality sleep, it means that your mobile should be silent, your Wi-Fi or data should be switched off while you are sleeping, and you can enjoy your good quality sleep. Number 10, you can watch television. And when I say watching television, it does not mean that you have to watch news channels. You can watch, maybe if you are a sports lover, you can watch sports channels. A lot of people say that the childhood was the best time of the life, so you can watch some cartoon channels. National Geographic or Discovery is always there, so you can watch and enjoy those channels as well. Number next, being a dietitian, I always focus on food, so you can enjoy some homemade, delicious, indigenous, fresh, nutritious food with your family members. Maybe you can get involved in cooking food as well. So that could be something good as well. And number 12, you may consider calling a friend or a family member who is not living with you, or maybe a relative whom you have been trying to call for a long period of time, but since you were busy or he or she was busy, so you were not able to get in touch with that particular person. So it's a very good time to get in touch with those people as well. So these are my 12 stress relieving activities during self quarantine. Please do like my video, subscribe my channel, And most importantly, let me know through your comments what kind of activities you are getting yourself involved in during this time of self quarantine. And lastly, do not forget to share my video with others so that others can benefit as well. Until next time, it's bye bye from my side.